Alright guys, so I am installing new seats that belong in a Jeep Wrangler, but I got them brand new aftermarket into my Mitsubishi Strada. I haven't done the driver's seat yet. Still got the original old one in here, but I did the passenger seat. I even put the covers on. These are all smittybilt. This is smittybilt seats with the smittybilt covers. The truck is a mess right now, but these are nice seats. And I got the covers so that, you know, it gets that cool look to it. You know, that military look to it. But also it protects the seats so they don't wear out as fast. These get all dirty, I can wash them. If they get you know, worn out, I can just buy a new set and hopefully protect the seats a little bit. So I'm going to be working on that one. These seats are narrower, they're narrower, you know, side to side than the original rails or the original seats. The original seats would come out like this much on each. It would come out further, and they're a little bit shorter. Like right now I got it all the way back and you can see it's shorter than this, but I sit in it and it's super comfortable, you know, easy to ride, and it actually makes it more roomy. You know, it gives you more leg room and everything. Also, with the more leg room, that means you can move this forward and get more leg room in the back, which is important because the back of these have zero leg room with those seats are all the way back. But with this being able to go further forward now because of it's just the more space, you know, it'll give you a lot of room up front. So to make this mount to this, I still have to take it all apart and paint this steel plate, but I used about 1/8-inch thick steel plate. So all the way across the steel plate, and the steel plate's bolted down to this rail and bolted up to this seat, and then everything is bolted down. You know, it's under this plastic. You got the 2 bolts here, and you got 2 more on the other side. Whole thing's bolted down. I went for the cheaper ones because the other ones were just out of stock. So there is no leaning back or anything, and no headrests on these ones. But on all reality, I don't need the headrests. This thing sits at a perfect height. I don't need it to lean back because, I mean, I'm not going to be taking naps in this. So, you know, it's just driving and enjoying. So that's going to work out fine anyways. So I'll have to pull out this steel plate. I got another one I'm cutting for the next seat, so I'm going to go show you that in a second. But that's going to look freaking good. Eventually I'm going to pull this carpet out and truck bed coat the inside of this too. So this is the steel plate. Pretty heavy. I mean, I guess I'm prepared for IEDs at this point. I don't know. But I'm going to round off these corners. You know, I tapered it all. Going to round off the corners, and then I'll drill. So the rails themselves will be really close to the edge, and then the seat is literally just right here. So you got to use Allen's to be able to get the bolts in there. It's that close, that tight of a fit. So, all right, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll show you the final product another time. Peace.